Samsung Smart Monitor M9.
Main features are Samsung Smart Monitor M9, model M90SF, often listed as LS32FM902SNXZA, is Samsung's premium 2025 smart monitor, marking the first time the Smart Monitor series uses an OLED panel. Released in June 2025, it's a versatile 32-inch 4K UHD display that functions as both a high-end computer monitor and a smart TV replacement, with built-in streaming apps, AI enhancements, and strong gaming capabilities. Display: 32-inch 4K UHD, 3840 by 2160, QD OLED panel, Gen 3 technology.
Refresh rate 165 Hz. Response time 0.03 milliseconds G to G. HDR VESA Display HDR True Black 400. Other features: infinite contrast with perfect blacks, vibrant Pantone validated colors, glare-free finish, Samsung OLED Safeguard Plus, dynamic cooling, adaptive brightness, pixel shift, panel care to reduce burn-in risk.
Smart features: Tizen OS with Samsung TV Plus, free live TV channels and on-demand content, built-in streaming apps, no PC required. Samsung Vision AI includes 4K AI Upscaling Pro, AI Picture Optimizer, Gaming Hub. Gaming: NVIDIA G-Sync compatible, AMD FreeSync Premium Pro support, ideal for smooth, fast-paced play. Productivity: connectivity, built-in 4K camera for video calls, integrated speakers, USB-C, slim metal design, ergonomic stand, supports portrait mode rotation in some setups. Compared to alternatives like the Samsung Odyssey G8, also 32-inch 4K OLED but with 240 Hz, the M9 prioritizes smart features over max refresh rate.